Hello friends and welcome back to House of Props. I've had several of you ask about scaling and resizing my templates, so I thought I'd show you how you can customize any template or pattern with just a few easy steps. First, you need to know what size the template is made for. For instance, my helmet templates are made to fit my head, which is 23 inches, but let's say you wanted to scale it down to where it would fit a head that is 21 3/4 inches. Let me show you how you can go about doing that. So you want to start by taking your measurement, and for instance, let's use 21 3/4, and then you subtract the original measurement of the template, in this case 23, and then divide by the same number, 23. So 21 3/4 subtract 23 is negative 1.25, and then we're going to divide that by 23, which is a negative 0.0543. Now, to make that a percentage, we want to take that the negative 0.0453, times it by 100, which is basically moving the decimal 2 places to the right, and we're left with a negative 5.43%. With the negative means we decrease the pattern by 5.43%. Now, you could do the same thing with scaling up. In this case, if you want to scale it up to 24, divide by 23, and then you get the 0.0435, times it by 100, and you scale up 4.35% since it's positive, and negatives scale down. Then to change the pattern, you want to make sure that you're in poster form, at least for my templates, and you want to remove the percentage from the 100%, which in this case scales it down to 94%. Click someplace else to make sure that everything refreshes, and then you can hit print, and your template will print out scaled to size. If you don't feel like figuring out the math by hand, a fast way to do this is to go onto the internet and look for a percentage of change calculator. Now, you'll be given a bunch of different calculators. Some are apps, some are free to use. I just use one of the free ones online. Go into it, and then here you can see the formula that we just used, and value 1 is the original measurement. Let's use 23. Value 2 is what your measurement would be. Let's use the 21 3/4, and then all you have to do is hit calculate, and then it gives you that percentage of decrease, 5.43%. And down below it shows you, it walks you through the entire math process. So it's a lot faster than figuring it out by hand, and this is what I typically use when trying to figure out any percentage of change. And there you have it. With these few easy steps, you can customize any template or pattern to your own specifications. I hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, subscribe to House of Props, and I'll catch you on the next one. And remember, if you are building any of my builds or using any of my templates, feel free and tag me at House of Props on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, because I would really like to see your fantastic work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.